So you probably heard all over YouTube, bloggers saying, I made $1,000 a month blogging, I made $5,000 a month writing, and I'm gonna show you how I did it, so keep on watching. Making money as a writer or blogger is amazing, trust me, but there's way more than just getting money and then paying your bills. We're gonna talk about how to truly make money as a writer and why not just making money is not enough and how it can cripple you. Let's do it. What up, it's Lucci, whatever you want to call it. I help writers find their place in the writing space, and we're going to talk about the freaking elephant in the room. So answer this question for me. Are you more worried about making money and going full-time as a writer, or instead being more relatable to your audience and telling your life? If you thought about going full-time and doing money, you're wrong. Many bloggers and writers out there are depressed as freak because they think about how can I make money, how can I go full time, and that's it. How can I blow up, how can people read my stuff? That's usually all they think about. Storytelling content has been the all be all, can't talk. And it's the reason because people want someone that's relatable, someone that I feel like we have a connection here. We have something that we both went through, and it helps you to freaking show that I'm just like you. I'm not this hardcore professional, like on a suit, all of that crap. Because the most successful writers out there, successful people in general, didn't have things handed to them. They struggled. They've been through crap. They've been through it all. And they've had people tell them no. That's why people love storytelling, because it vibes with them. The writers that are happy and blowing up and doing all of that is because they're giving. They're giving without any expectation of receiving. And if you know how to give and you know how to actually freaking care about someone, you're gonna money will come. Money will come. Very simple. There's two ways of monetization: scalable content and non-scalable. What the freak does that mean? I'm going crazy, I know. So the first one is the scalable. The scalable is something that can reach millions of people if you know what you're doing. And you generally want to charge this and price this lower since not a lot of people are actually getting it. Some examples are an ebook, an app, or, an online course. Of course, an ebook is the best one for us.
Introducing the all-new Kindle.
And it's kind of set it and forget it. Once you put it out there, people are going to be buying it. It's almost going to be like a passive income for you. I'm so sorry. My freaking iPhone just died. Okay, we're going to continue. The non-scalable content. The non-scalable content is where you're doing it one-on-one, personalized. Basically means you are actually giving your time to talk to someone one-on-one, provide something for them. Is usually like you provide them with coaching, one-on-one, a private writing, like someone could DM you on, I want a certain writing from you and I want these things answered, and you write it for them and you give it to them. And then of course it is the what was it? Private time. The private time. It's where you give people private time so you can just talk to each other. Sometimes people just want to make friends in the online space because sometimes you feel like you're alone. You have the active income. You're going to get income constantly coming at your doorstep. At the same time, you're going to get that active income if you feel like, okay, let me help people. You can do the one-on-one, the private time. And this means that it's possible to give free stuff and actually care, and at the same time get income and go full time. You've probably heard that you can do what you love but not make a lot of money doing it. That's bullcrap. You can totally monetize any of your passion, because some people do either or. They think, oh, I have to be really care about people and not even make this my passion, or I want to freaking make money and not give a freak about people. You can do both. My voice is so weird. It can get deep or it can get high pitched, like really weird. I can be like a voice actor. But if you really want to be happy as a writer and still make an income and not be miserable, it starts with yourself. You have to be willing to share your past with people. You have to be willing to love yourself enough to think about would you be able to read your own writing and actually like it? And if you don't like your own writing and you feel like it's bad, then no one can read your writing. I don't honestly even hope this made any sense. I just wanted to get things off my chest. But the rundown, it's not about the money. It's about how much are you willing to give to people? How much are you willing to give, like, you know, people are like, oh my god, like this person is like changing my life, like they're changing my struggles for the better. That's what writing needs to do. They need to be like I can actually get out of bed and do stuff because they're inspiring me, they're motivating me, they're entertaining me, they're just my spirit animal. If you want to know my future plans is to actually start coaching. Yes, I actually freaking care about you guys. I actually want you guys to freaking succeed, because people are saying that the blogging space is, you know, dead or it's hard to grow, but honestly it's almost as easy as every other form of content creation. You just have to add your own spin on it and be your freaking self. And if you actually did watch the full video, I want to say thank you. Like, you are amazing. I am grateful for you. You have a purpose as a writer. You have something, a message to send, not just to the writing industry or to your audience, but to the freaking world. And I want to help you unlock that and freaking share that to the freaking world. Okay, this is getting deep, but it's really true. But I'm starving, you guys. I need to get some food to eat, because if I don't eat, like, I'm gonna go freaking crazy, and you do not want to see me go crazy. Okay, I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to find your place in the writing space. I'll see you in the next one. I'm gonna go eat the Amy's Kitchen vegan pasta dumplings. Oh my god, bye.
Other bloggers are unrelatable because they're too like hardcore perfectionists, like, but you're relatable and people like authenticity.